Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it is time for our December Stamp of the Month Club reveal. This is our regular club, the one that ships at the early part of the month, so the 6th of the month. And this guy is so cute. You'll be able to use him for Christmas, but you'll also be able to use him the rest of the year. He's so cute. We tried to do a good transitional set for you. And again, I just think he's super fun. And the year of Maymay has been pretty fun. I think we've done some pretty cool sets for us. And we don't have one like this in our in our arsenal, I'll tell you that for sure. All right, are you upside down? Yes, I always have him upside down. All right, if you'd like to know more information about joining our stamp club, that information is in the description box below. And check this out. Ready? Welcome to Falalamingo. Now, I wanted to call this one Flamingoing South for the winter, but flamingos stay in the South, right? So we just called it Falalamingo. And let me show you what I mean by this one's going to take you throughout the year, not just for Christmas. The only real Christmas sentiment we gave you was this one, Falalamingo. You can play with this one. I'll show you how I played it with it on my sample. But other than that, you've got, how's it flamingoing? We flamingo together. You go flamingo. Party like a flock star. And then you also have this huge palm tree, which you can use for all kinds of stuff. This one flamingo has a hat and a scarf, but we gave you one without, and then we gave you some options. So we gave you a Santa hat, a party hat, some deer antler, which I think are hilarious on that flamingo, and we gave you a couple of starfish, this guy who's open where you can color him, and this guy where you can just stamp him solid. And then these two guys, which are the same, open and solid, but these are ornaments that you can hang in the tree or off and on the other things on the stamp set. This little puddle right here, this can be water or sand or whatever you're using it for. We just thought it'd be cute to give you a little puddle for his little skinny legs. Isn't he adorable? I just love him. I know you're going to ask, is there an SVG for it? Yes, we'll have that on the website for you guys. And let me show you my samples. These were fun to make. Now, I actually had a mistake with my first sample. I kind of messed him up, but I wanted to show you anyway. I think he's adorable. I really don't know what I did here, but somehow I smeared his little beak. I think I just went too fast and didn't let my ink dry. But look how cute he is. I stamped them together. So you can see here, I stamped this little guy and this little guy. And then I just dressed him with his Santa hat and hung one of the ornaments off of his little Santa hat. How cute is that, right? And then I colored their little legs a pale gray. You can't really see them colored on the screen. And I used the Falalamingo sentiment because I thought that was cute. Now that's one sample. Let me show you my other. This one's my favorite. I think this is so cute. So this guy, let me move the strings out of the way for you. This guy has the deer antler. How funny is he with this deer antler? I think he's so cute. I hung a little ornament off of one of the antlers. I hung some in the pine trees. And by the way, I took the pine tree, I stamped him here and then just on and off over there. And notice here it says, Falalala, you go flamingo. Okay, I wanted to mix it up and make it feel a little more Christmassy for this tag. So what I did was I just masked off the mingo part of falala, ever how that is. I just masked off the bottom part and then I just stamped that above the you go flamingo so I could make it a little more Christmassy, but it doesn't have to be. But I thought that was super cute. So the sentiment is actually you go flamingo, but I thought it was cute to add that to it. So that is my tag. Those are my two samples, y'all. I already know that some of you right now, your brains are running with what you're going to do with this. You're going to have so much fun. But wasn't it fun to be able to give us something that can be December, but it can also go into the rest of the year as well? I think it's super cute. I cannot wait to see your birthday party ones that you do with this party hat. You're going to go crazy with this. And imagine all the places you can use the palm tree. There's no telling. There you go, guys. That is your December Stamp Club set. I love it. I hope you do too. Don't forget, we'll have a winner from last month's contest. We do a contest every month, and all you have to do to enter is upload a photo of your project using this stamp set to our customer gallery, and you're entered. That's all there is to it. Now, as usual, I filmed this before the contest is ended, so we'll put the winner's name in the description below, and we will also email you to let you know that you won a $50 gift card to our store. Hey, thanks so much for watching and being part of our stamp club. It's super fun. I love when you guys make stuff with our stamp sets and just go crazy. Also, can you imagine how many places you can use these antlers? I was thinking about this. I think a snowman with antlers would be adorable too. So, put on your thinking caps, ladies and gents. I bet you can come up with some cool stuff. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.